It started with a single image, quiet, still, and without warning. The James Webb Space Telescope had been sending back data for months, each picture more beautiful than the last. But this one was different. When it appeared on the screens at NASA, the room fell silent. Scientists leaned closer, unsure if what they were seeing was even real. It wasn't a dramatic explosion or a bright star. It was something subtle, almost hiding in the dark. Yet there was something about it that felt wrong. Or maybe, not wrong, just impossible. In that moment, they knew they were looking at something that could change everything we thought we knew about the universe. The James Webb Space Telescope is unlike any other instrument we've ever sent into space. It was built to look farther than any human eye or any telescope has ever looked before. While ordinary telescopes capture what's visible to us, Webb sees in infrared, picking up the faint heat of objects billions of light years away. It's like giving humanity the ability to see through the darkness of space and into the past itself. Every image it sends back is not just a picture. It's a time machine, showing us moments from the universe's earliest days. But even with all its power, no one expected it to find what it just found. While scanning one of the deepest regions of space, Webb's sensors picked up something faint, so faint it was almost lost in the cosmic background. At first, it appeared as nothing more than a tiny flicker of light in the far corner of the image. But this was no ordinary flicker. It came from a place so distant. The light had been traveling for nearly the entire age of the universe just to reach us. It was like catching a whisper from the edge of time itself. Scientists knew they had to study it closer, because if their instruments were right, this little speck might hold a story the universe has been keeping secret for billions of years. When scientists measured the light, they realized it had been traveling for more than 13 billion years. That meant it came from a time when the universe was still in its infancy, just a few 100 million years after the Big Bang. Seeing something from that far back is like opening a window into the very beginning of everything. But the more they examined it, the stranger it became. The light didn't match what they expected from galaxies born so early. It was brighter, more organized, and far too complex for such a young universe. It was as if something had taken a shortcut through time, creating structures that shouldn't even exist yet. This was not just a glimpse into the past. It was a challenge to the story of how the universe began. As the image was processed in greater detail, the faint flicker transformed into something far more mysterious, a distinct shape. It wasn't a random cluster of stars or a chaotic cloud of gas like scientists expected from such an early time in the universe. Instead, it had a strange symmetry, almost like it had been arranged with purpose. Its edges were too sharp, its structure too organized, as if it followed rules we didn't yet understand. Nature, especially in the young universe, is usually messy and unpredictable. But this looked deliberate. And if it truly was, it could mean the universe was hiding something far more complex than we ever imagined. To uncover more, scientists studied the light itself, breaking it down into its spectrum, like splitting sunlight into a rainbow. This reveals the chemical fingerprints of whatever produced it. But when they examined this ancient light, something unexpected appeared. The spectrum showed elements that had no business being there so soon after the birth of the universe. Heavy metals, complex compounds, things that should have taken billions of years of star formation to create, were already present. It was as if the normal timeline of cosmic evolution had been skipped, as if something, or someone, had sped it up. This single discovery didn't just raise questions. It shattered them wide open. With every new detail uncovered, the mystery deepened. Some experts began to wonder, could this strange object be the result of unknown natural forces? Or was it something else entirely, something artificial? The idea was daring, almost unthinkable. But when the evidence doesn't fit any known pattern, scientists must consider all possibilities. Could this be a sign of technology far beyond our understanding? A relic left behind by an ancient civilization? Or perhaps a cosmic message, waiting patiently for us to notice? These whispers from the depths of space invite us to rethink everything we know about life, intelligence, and the universe itself. Behind closed doors, NASA's top scientists held urgent meetings. The discovery was more than just surprising, it was seismic. If confirmed, this single image could rewrite the textbooks of cosmology, forcing scientists to rethink how the universe formed and evolved. It challenged the very foundations of physics and astronomy. For the first time in decades, the scientific community faced a puzzle that might change our understanding of everything, from the origins of stars and galaxies to the possibility of life beyond Earth. This wasn't just another discovery. It was a quiet earthquake shaking the core of modern science. Since the image became public, theories have exploded, some grounded in science, others stretching into the realm of imagination. Could it be evidence of an ancient megastructure, built by a civilization so advanced it shapes entire galaxies? Or maybe a glimpse into a parallel universe, overlapping with our own in ways we never dreamed possible? Some suggest unknown cosmic phenomena we have yet to discover. Each theory is bolder than the last, pushing the limits of what we think is possible. The truth may be stranger than fiction, and the race to understand it is just beginning. What James Webb has captured is just the first chapter in a story that is far from over. With its unmatched power, Webb will keep peeling back the layers of the cosmos, revealing secrets hidden for billions of years. If this single image can shake the foundation of science, imagine what else awaits in the dark corners of space. The universe is a vast, mysterious place, full of wonders we have yet to imagine. And now, thanks to Webb, we're closer than ever to uncovering them. This is not just a discovery. It's an invitation to rethink everything and to wonder what incredible truths lie ahead. The journey has only just begun.